Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet.
Welcome to day number 13 on your 21-day challenge. You have been working so hard so far, so today we're going to focus on recovery. So mobility moves and breath work. You don't need anything but your body today and your mat, and just to enjoy this beautiful view behind me in the ocean breeze. We're going to start with grounding. We're going to go into our breath. We're going to try to become present before we start moving. So find a comfortable position. You can either sit the way I am, you can use a bolster, you can use a block, you can be on your couch for now. And we're going to start breathing. So close your eyes, turn your palms up towards the sky, the ceiling. Sit up nice and tall, root down through the sits bones, the crown of the head, reach up so you have this energy flowing through your entire body. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Start to become aware of your surroundings, become aware of the way you're sitting, become aware of the way the contact, the mat and your sits bones. Notice if you're carrying or holding on to any tension in your body. And if you could just let that go for now. And hopefully for good. So let's try to work through that. Take another deep breath in, inhale. And exhale, let it go. Open your mouth side out. Ha. Good, opening your eyes. Let's go into a little bit of neck mobility. So we're gonna go into neck circles. And then go in the other direction. And then inhale, take your arms up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Again, inhale your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. This time extend the left fingertips. Inhale, take your hands up and bring your right hand to your left earlobe and stretch out the side of your neck. Inhale, release, and exhale, switch sides. And release. From here, take your hands behind your head, open up your heart. Inhale, let's round. Exhale, open up your chest. Inhale, round the belly. Exhale, open your heart. Inhale, round. Exhale, open up your heart. Bring it over to the right. Side stretch. Ooh, that feels great. And over to the left. Good. From here, we're going to release those hips. You're going to bring your heels out in front of you, bring your arms back behind you. You're going to bring your legs into windshield wiper motion, so releasing the hips. Hip mobility is so important. For 3, 2, and 1. Now bring it all over to the right side. Dip your body down, and then switch. So you'll feel this more in the glutes. Now we're going to take this even further. You're going to come to the right, lift your arms up, and then fold. Switch. Ooh, that is tight for me. Good. Awesome. Next mobility move, we're gonna do it the groin. So we're gonna bring the legs out and the knees out as wide as you can. Bring it down to your forearms, and we're gonna just shift the weight forward and back. So this is a really deep stretch for that groin. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring your knees back together. We're gonna go upper body mobility now. So what you're gonna do is take your hand on your head, and we're gonna scoop the elbow under and then lift it up. Scoop it under and lift. 2 more. Last one. Open up through that chest and switch. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice. And then let's do a little more legs here. So you're gonna bring your right leg forward. We're gonna stretch into the right side, so dynamic stretch. You're gonna bend and straighten as many times as you can for the next 30 seconds to loosen up the legs. Keep your spine long, keep the crown of the head reaching forward. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you're gonna take all the weight onto the right side, so you're in this high lunge. And then you're gonna shift your weight onto the back heel and bring that leg down. Now this is a stretch for those inner thighs here. If this is too much, I understand. You can do it from up here. Holding it here for the next 10 seconds. Make sure you flex those toes. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's shift that weight back into that high lunge. Let's switch sides, take that left leg forward, bend that knee, and we're gonna move through these legs. So bend and straighten. Awesome, feeling those legs releasing, loosening up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So take all the weight to the left side, shift over to your right heel, and then let's open up the right inner thigh. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's flip back here. Come into a high plank. Let's open up the abdominals and the hip flexors. Roll your shoulders open, press into the pelvis, tops of the hands, tops of the feet. All 10 toes touching. And from there, push back into child's. Let's take 5 deep breaths here in your child's pose to close this off. And slowly bring it back up. Thank you so much for joining me today, remembering how important it is to stretch your body, to connect, to breathe so we don't get injured and we excel in our workouts, okay? Make sure to like, comment, let us know what you thought. And I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.